All right, so you're completely gutted, right? Bone stock.
Bone stock.
And you got, you put skinnies in the front?
Slicks in the back.
Slicks in the back. What kind of slicks do you have?
Mickey Thompson's.
Mickey Thompson ET Streets, yep. Ours, and then what, do you know what the sizing of them are?
I don't.
Okay, so your best quarter mile today was what?
10.4.
10.4, and you're gonna go for your best right now, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you know what? I'm rooting for you. What are you hoping to get right now?
Oh, it'd be nice if I get into the 10s. Low 10s.
Low 10s?
Yeah.
Got a stock Redeye here. Naturally aspirated 426. Let's see the time slip.
My baby's back, and that's with a bunch of timing bolts so I could hook.
There it is. I mean, you said you would run it, and you did.
I told you it's a
good job.
car.
Are you happy with that?
I am, yes.
All right, good.
First round. 10.7. So what got you into this?
I have to be faster than my husband.
Okay, so what does he drive?
He's got the Demon.
Damn!
He's got it. Oh my God! So you have to start modding this thing.
It's springtime. It's wintertime. I'll be working on.
What are you thinking about doing?
Some Hoodies, some Diablos.
Okay, so maybe an upper, lower pulley, E85 potentially, right? Yeah. Race gas or something. All right. Well, I saw you run. You did 10.5, which is like really good.
Yeah.
What is he running with his Demon?
Right now, he's running 10 flat.
10 flat. So you got to make up a half a second.
No, I got to stay in 10.5.
Well, I mean down the road, if you're gonna beat him.
Is 9.92.
9.92.
My fastest was 10.1.
A 10.1. Okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool that you have a Demon and a Redeye in your driveway. That's pretty sick, actually.
We like our toys.
130, 1155, 120. This is the stock Scat Pack on rim and tire. Rim and tire, lower pulley stock tune though. So the lower pulley, a Hellcat. Did I say Scat Pack?
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
So that's a stock Hellcat.
Yep.
Rim tire, lower pulley but stock tune.
Okay.
So that was a 10, mid 10, 10.7.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Six nine. Woo!